Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back my channel, The Learning Destinations, and today I'm going to connect the sessions how we can enable the version on S3 bucket. Guys, if you upload documentations inside the S3 bucket and if you are making frequently changes inside that, then it must be that you should enable the version on S3 bucket. You can be always updated what you have made changes recently inside your documentations. Hello guys, my name is Avinash and you are watching The Learning Destinations. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Hey guys, so I am going to start practical session now. So I am going to create one S3 bucket and I am under the AWS console under the S3 sections. So I say create bucket and I am going to give it some unique name and I'm going to give it testing 5432. Then after that, I'm going to enable the ACL enable, which will help me to make my documentations available, publicly accessible. Okay. By the way, the documentations here means I'm going to upload one document under this S3 bucket where I will perform the versioning task. So you will have better understanding the how the versioning works. Okay. And that's why that I want to access that particular documentation as a public. Okay, and I'm going to turn this off, this particular options, which will allow me to access my documentations as a publicly. And yes, I know the risks. And after that, this is the option that by enabling that, you can maintain the version on your documentation inside whatever you are uploading on S3 bucket. Okay, then rest of the options I'm keeping as default and I say create bucket. So it's saying that the bucket name must not contain uppercase character. Okay, so it should not be in uppercase. Now let's try to create. So it's getting created bucket, and once it is created, then I will upload the documentations and then we will have better understanding that how version is exactly working. Okay, so for that I am going to upload one document. And this is my document. This is a simple text file I'm uploading. I say upload. So as of now, if I try to access it, it doesn't have public access. That's why I cannot access it. Let's check it. I will try to access the DNS. Let me open it in another tab. So you can see that the access is denied because it is publicly not accessible, right? It doesn't have right. So I'm going to make changes inside the permissions. I say edit. And as of now, I'm just giving the read access. And I say, yes, I understand the risk. Save changes. Now let's try to open it. So we can access it. You can see that this text file has my name is Avinash, right? And this is 1.0. Okay. So now this is our bucket which we have created. And under this, go to there. And under this, there is one documentations. Okay. Now let's make changes in the same documentations. Okay. This is same documentation, make changes. And upload it once again. So I'm going to add it. Hi, I'm changing the version tag and I'm doing v2.0. Let me correct it. Let's upload it. Add files. Upload. Upload succeeded, right? Let's go to bucket. So as of now, you can see that there is a second version which I have already uploaded, but as of now it is not visible. The reason I haven't yet here selected the show version, right? So let me turn it on, and now you can see that the version right? So this is the version of the same documentations. So let's enable it, this one. So this is one of the previous version, right? Which we have uploaded first time, and this is the new version, and you can see the difference by the timing, right? So this is the latest version where we have made the changes. So let me show you one thing. And basically I wanted to show you that even though you are making the changes in the same documentations and maintaining the version, so as of now you can see that I am maintaining as a version 2.0, right? But still we cannot access this, the new version. The reason is that we have only allowed publicly accessible to the previous version. We haven't yet allowed publicly accessible to the latest version. That's why we cannot access it. So let me show you what I am talking about. So this is the older version, the previous version, the very first time which we have uploaded. So you can see that we can access it, right? But the next version where we have made the changes, we cannot access it. Let me show you. So let me go there. So this is the DNS name, and if we try to access it, you can see that we are simply getting the message access denied. The reason it hasn't been yet allowed publicly accessible, and that's the reason that we are getting this error. Okay. So in order to get publicly accessible, we have to give the separate access. It means that we have to allow it publicly accessible separately. Okay. And for that, we can simply go to click here on the latest version, and we can go to permission sections. Then we can edit this. Likewise, we did for the first part, first documentations, version 1.0. I understand the effect, right? And save changes. So now we are good to access this document. And now if we try to access this URL, we can simply access it. So now you can see that this is the second line which we have added newly, right? Hi, I am changing the version tag with 2.0. Okay. So what do you understand from these circumstances? We understand that even though we are maintaining the version of the same documentations, until and unless if you don't allow it publicly accessible, it cannot be accessed. It cannot be accessed outside. It cannot be accessible publicly. Okay, until unless we don't allow it. So guys, this is the bucket which we had created, right? And inside that we had maintained the version. So to see the version, you need to click here, show versions, right? So we can see that, right? So this is the latest version which we had uploaded, version 2.0, and it was the previous version which we had uploaded as a 1.0. So 1.0 was already publicly accessible, and this one, the latest version which we have updated, it wasn't publicly accessible until we had given the permissions. So this is the correct way, guys. You can maintain the version under the S3 bucket, and in such a way you can give the you can make your documentations publicly accessible for everyone. So this is what, guys, I wanted to show you. So if you just go ahead, play with it. If you have any questions, write me in the comment sections, guys. So that's all for the day. I'm done for the day. I'll see you in my next tutorial, and if you have any questions, just write me in the comment sections. And one more request, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till the time, thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.